What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. This is your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the wrist. And yes, sir, today we are back on the 5-3 build. That's right, 5-3 build. Today what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead on bust these pistons out of here. I'm gonna show you how to gas some rings. Come on with your boy D.I.Y with the wrist. When you working with D.I.Y with the wrist. Alright, gang. Man, I appreciate y'all, man. Look, we are in uncharted territory. Never had your boy Greg, me, Mr. D.I.Y with the wrist, ever went inside a motor. It's our first time. So, look, man, if y'all see me doing something wrong, man, get up in the comment, man. Let your boy know if he's doing something wrong. But I do got a book, man. I'm gonna show y'all the book later on that I got up on rebuilding these. And man, we gonna try to do this together, man. Alright, man, let me show y'all the engine, man. Show y'all the 5-3 where we at so far. Alright, gang. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take these. These are your rod bolts. So I already broke them loose. Those are 11 millimeters to break those loose. We take that rod cap off. When you're doing this, you want to do these one at a time, man. You want to do them one at a time. But we're going to take that off. Take the rod cap off. We're going to get that piston out of here. And you want to, once we get that piston out of there, I'm going to show y'all the rings and everything. And we're going to start taking the rings off. Alright. Look at that. Don't look too bad. That bearing don't look too bad. What we're gonna do, put that bearing over here. I don't know if you're supposed to use it, but I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna push it down up inside the piston. Try to get that piston out. There it is, gang. First piston out. Alright. So we're gonna get this piston cleaned up and I'm gonna take the rings off and I'm alright, gang. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to get these rings off. And you wanna try to get them in order. They come off pretty easy. Should just be able to stretch it. Alright, that's the top ring. Middle ring. And the last ring, this is a set of rings on these. Let's see if we get this. Let me get that one. That's the top one. Let's see if we can get this middle, this one. So go ahead and get the bottom up. See if we can get this one. Go ahead and open up it. There you go. Alright. So I'm just wondering, I'm thinking that it's just the top rings that we got a gap. Not really sure. We're gonna do some research on that and see. As y'all see, I got my manual ring follower, and I got it from this company here, Proform Engine Building Tools. I got that off Amazon, man. So get one in there. But we're gonna get this set up. I'm gonna check on that, see which two rings that I gotta do. I'm thinking it's just these two rings here, but we're gonna make sure before we get it back in. All right, man. Y'all come on back. So I went on ahead and put that third rings back in. I don't think we gotta gap the rings from what I read. I don't think we gotta gap the rings. But on your piston, you got a dot on your piston that faces towards the front of your block. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get this ring. You wanna get this ring and you wanna put it inside the bore. Get it inside the bore. Alright. Then you can take your piston. Take your piston and gotta get it straight. Alright. And I got the one for 0.028. 0.028. So we're gonna check a ring gap and we're gonna see if it fits in there. Alright. Let's see. So it will not fit in there. Alright. So we're gonna have to open up this ring gap on that one. Let's see what it is. Let's see. Let's go 0.26. Let's see what we got. 0.26. Nope. Alright, so we got 0.25. Nope. Ring gap. Let's see. Alright. We'll go all the way down to 0.21. See what it is. See what they're doing there. Nope. Ain't just. So it's around about 0.20, 21, 0.22. So we're gonna try to get this ring gap to 0.028, and we're gonna go from there. Yeah, 0.028. All right, man. Y'all know I ain't never did this before, man. So y'all just hang on with your boy, man. All right. Go ahead and get that out. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead on and try to see if I can get this to work. At a time. A little bit more. It don't take much. See what that is. Is tight. Right, so I'm trying to do this. That's good. Yeah, I think that's good. Gang. Alright, so that one there. My second ring. On the second ring, you got a dot on the second ring of the LS. Alright, so you want that dot to be facing the top. Alright. So we'll go ahead on. Get started. You want to be careful with these rings. You don't want to break them. Alright. Alright, so we got that second one in. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this. I'm gonna have the opening for this second one on this side. Then on my first one, I'm gonna put it opposite because you do not want these rings. You don't want the opening on the same side. So like like that, that's a no-no. You're gonna have blow by, and you're gonna have loss compression, so you don't want that. So we're gonna do it on the opposite side. Alright. So let's go ahead and put this on this side. Alright, so we got that opening right there on that side. It's on the opposite side. We're gonna clean this piston up, put it back in. Let me show y'all this cap too. Alright, so these, like I was telling y'all, these caps can only go on one way, right? Because they broke. So you see how that made up? How that made up real good? Alright, now watch if you put it on the wrong way. Put it on the wrong way, you see how it's got an opening right there? So make sure you put these on the right way, because what they do when they design these, they make them already molded, then they crack them and break them. So you got to make sure you have it on the right side, all right? Excuse me. But yeah, man, that's that, man. So we're gonna clean that up, man, and get the rest of these. We're gonna get the rest of these done, and probably on the next build, man, I have all these done, all my pistons in. I'm taking my time on doing one side at a time. Once I get these cleaned up, get them back in, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that cam in, the lifters and everything, bolting this thing back up. Clean the transmission, paint the engine block. Then we're gonna be setting it in the chassis. All right, man. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all checking in with your boy D.I.Y with the Rich Man. Hey, y'all like, subscribe, share, hit that thumbs up button, hit that notification bell so you can get all my videos, man. I'm out. Man, I know y'all thought I was gone, man, but I'm back, man. I got some issues, man. I got some problems, man. I got some problems, man. Look, got all the pistons out, man. This is behind the scenes stuff, man. Got all the pistons out, man, and I had a problem with the number 8 rod, man. Let me show y'all what I got, man. All right, man. All right, man. Look at this, man. Tell me what y'all see what's wrong with this rod, man. It is bent, y'all. Man, I had a bent rod, man. Golly. So, look like I might have to order me some new rods, man. Get these things pressed in. These things are pressed in, man. So I gotta see what my option gonna be, man. Man, I had to come back, man. I had to come back, man, and show y'all this, man, because I'm showing y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly, man. Good, the bad, and the ugly, man. Man, don't look like I'm gonna be busting up no Dodges or none of them Mustangs. Not yet. But we coming. We coming, man. Like again, man, like I said, man, like the video, man, like, subscribe, share, man, hit that notification bell, man, hit that thumbs up, man. My favorite scripture, man, I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens me, man. But we out, man. Keep y'all posted, man. Let y'all know what the doctor say about these rods, man. D.I.Y. Appreciate y'all, man.